how I will get more hate on this video than love. People always want to spot out the small thing that they want to pick apart. Everybody's got this mean ass attitude to just cast hate on people. They want to find that one thing that's wrong with you and they use it as leverage. So number one is my haircut. Okay, I have people who comment all the time about my haircut, and it's interesting because my haircut doesn't define how smart I am. My haircut doesn't define how much credibility I have or what kind of skill set I've acquired. I could be fucking bald and I would still be the same person, right? Second thing is, of the t-shirt that I'm wearing, people would say, oh, fanboy, fanboy, fanboy. I actually own one of these cars, okay? But people will take this as the angle to be like, oh, you know, this kid's he's a fraud. He's another Ty Lopez scam, scam, scam. That comes from a place of insecurity because you simply don't know what money feels like or looks like. So as soon as you see it, you're like, oh, it's a scam. It can't be true. It's bullshit. Like, oh my God. Okay, and the third piece is people will find any way to talk crap about my watch. Say, oh, the diamonds aren't real. Oh, put a diamond tester. Oh, this kid's this. You're always looking for every small angle possible. Or the pimple right here. Oh, you have all this money, but you won't spend money on your skincare. Like, I love how people think that me rubbing cream on my face for 10 to 15 minutes a morning is worth my time. Like, no one's gonna pay me for that, so I'm not doing it, right? I wanna delegate that out and do other things that are more money-making tasks, more needle movers in my business. For me to just rub some cream consistently for weeks and do that, it's just not worth my time. So you need to understand that when you start posting content, you are dealing with the public eye, and the public eye is a demon eye. Everybody looks for this one wrong thing to pick apart to make you feel like shit. And that's why 90% of the news that you watch is always something bad. Someone got murdered, someone got beat, some car crash, some stupid law getting passed that people are somehow mad about that makes zero sense. Just all these different things in the world that you're watching right now is the reason why hate is more profound than love.